Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we give you the lowdown on beauty products that truly stand out. Have you ever wondered if there's a way to enhance the curl of your lashes without them feeling stiff or weighed down? Well, today we've got something that might just do the trick. Let's talk about the KIKO Milano Curling Top Coat Mascara, a product that promises to take your lashes to the next level. This isn't your average mascara. It's designed to be a top coat that intensifies your curl while maintaining flexibility. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into it. This mascara is all about boosting that dramatic curl, up to 80% more curl to be precise. It has a liquid formula that's not just for adding volume or length, but for enhancing the natural curl of your lashes. Its key selling point? It doesn't stiffen or weigh down the lashes. Instead, it offers a flexible, elastic texture that keeps your lashes feeling light and natural. The mascara's long-wearing formula ensures that you won't have to worry about it flaking off throughout the day. Now, I've had the chance to test this mascara for a few weeks, and here's what I found. The application is smooth and easy, with the mascara's brush allowing you to coat each lash evenly without clumping. It's really simple to incorporate into my routine as I applied it over my regular mascara for an extra curl boost. What I love most is how light it feels on my lashes. No stiffness, no crunchiness. You get all the curl you want without the discomfort of heavy lashes. I also tried it in different scenarios. Whether in the office or out on a humid day, it held up well. My lashes stayed curled throughout the day, even during some light rain, which I found impressive. The formula really does stay put. Of course, there are a couple of things to consider. While the mascara delivers on its promise of curl enhancement, it doesn't do much in terms of volume or lengthening. If you're someone who loves both volume and curl, you might need to pair it with a mascara that adds thickness. Another minor drawback is that it can be a bit tricky to remove at the end of the day, so make sure to use a good eye makeup remover to avoid any tugging. On the plus side, the mascara's long-wearing formula means you won't have to worry about touch-ups throughout the day. It stays flexible and soft, which is key for anyone who dislikes that crunchy, stiff feeling that some mascaras leave behind. When it comes to value for money, I think KIKO Milano's Curling Top Coat Mascara is priced fairly. Given the specialized function of this product, it's definitely worth it if you're after enhanced curl without the heavy feel. However, if you're looking for a mascara that offers a bit more volume or length, you might want to look at other options that combine both curl and fullness. Comparing this to other curling mascaras on the market, KIKO Milano stands out for its unique top coat formula. It's not meant to be used as a standalone mascara, but rather to complement your existing mascara. That's a great option for those who are already happy with their mascara's performance, but want an extra boost to their curl. In terms of build quality, the packaging feels sturdy, and the mascara wand is well designed for easy application. I didn't experience any issues with the tube drying out prematurely, so it looks like it's built to last. Now, if you're someone who often struggles with finding a mascara that can hold a curl, or if you've tried other curling formulas that left your lashes feeling stiff or unnatural, this could be a great solution for you. It's perfect for anyone who's looking for a flexible, long-wearing top coat that enhances their lashes without weighing them down. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear about your experiences. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.